We made a table that laid out the information that we found in each article, such as the independent variable, the dependent variable, and the research design. We found that 4 used a specific type of mindfulness and meditation program, 2 used a yoga-based type of program, 3 used some type of mindfulness program, and 3 used a hybrid program. A hybrid program is a program that puts one or more concepts together, such as the article Harpin 2016. They talked about using the hybrid program called Mind Up on Mindful Schools. Article Fluke 2015 found that their kindness curriculum showed gains in emotional, social, and overall health of their students. In the article Sing 2017 and Harpin 2016, they found that their programs reduced physical and verbal aggression, and the students were overall more relaxed. In the article Mendelsohn 2015, they found that their program improved all of their student and teacher outcomes.